Introducing the 2003 Honda Odyssey. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. Optimize your fuel economy while saving money in the long term with the great miles per gallon offered in this vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.